This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by powering down your Macbook and closing the lid for safety. Clean the chosen area with 70% isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free cloth. Wipe in one direction and allow the surface to air dry for 1 minute. Use a ruler to measure placement and mark gently with a soft pencil at 3.5 inches from the hinge. Avoid placing stickers over vents, rubber feet, or seams where ports open. Keep the area grease-free for optimal adhesion and to prevent bubbling. Peel the sticker backing slowly to avoid touching the adhesive surface with fingers. Hold the sticker by 2 opposite corners and align edges to the faint pencil mark at 3.5 inches. Gently place one edge down and lower the rest to prevent trapped air pockets. Use a credit card at a 45-degree angle to press from the center outward and smooth all the way to the edges. Press firmly and let the sticker set for 24 hours before transporting the laptop. When you want to remove a sticker, first warm it with a hairdryer for 20 seconds on low heat. Warming softens the adhesive and reduces the risk of leaving residue or peeling finish. Slowly lift one corner and peel back at a 45-degree angle with steady pressure. If residue remains, apply 70% isopropyl alcohol with a cloth or use a few drops of Goo Gone on the spot. Avoid harsh solvents like acetone over 50% that can damage the finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.